Did you enjoy that?
Thank you.
Did nearly hit me car.
You went too close to the car, did you, Dad?
Yep. So, what did you like then?
The cows.
See the cow? Yep.
The what?
It was so much fun.
Was it so much fun?
Yeah.
Did you go fast?
Yep.
Do you like going fast?
No, we
Did
didn't.
you see any cows?
Yep.
How many cows did you see?
I can't count.
You can't,
Can't count.
Too
About time you learn, isn't it?
many, was it?
Too many cows? One. 5 cows. Ah.
No.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 cows. 10 cows. Morning. What? 5, 10 cows. What? So what was your experience on the quad? Don't know what you like on it.
No, I didn't eat it.
Hey?
Yeah.
Nothing.
I like the wine.
And you?
The cows.
The cows. How many did you see?
18.
18 cows.
No,
18
17 cows
cows.
and 1 bull.
And 1 bull. Oh, right.
So 17 cows and 1 bull.
And did you go fast?
Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Good one.
Wait, I have one message.
Welcome back to Ed Shazz Adventures here at Lucky Bay. Here we are with the tribe. You should be able to see them behind me.
Overheated, can hardly sleep at night.
So here we are. Where are we? Oh, look, dolphins.
That's like this. Information, there's around 6 dolphins.
No, that's right there. There, see it? The thing coming up? That's a dolphin.
There's around 6 or 7 dolphins in the ocean.
Dolphins. There they are. Look at them. What problem? Dolphin. Look at them. Look at them. I'll go over there and go see the dolphins.
We're going over there.
Just seen a pod of whales or a herd of whales. What you call them? Hey?
Dolphins.
How many is a pod?
Pod's more than 4?
Is a herd?
I don't know.
I wouldn't know either.
About 9 now.
Hey? It's a pod.
Pod?
Pod of whales. Oh, sorry, pod of dolphins. And where are we? Eagle Gorge. In where? Kalbarri. How am I forgetting all this?
Because you're surrounded by sea.
Just going down to the beach area.
What's over there?
Got the herd behind me. As you can see, quite a lot walking here. No flies today.
I don't like this.
Yeah. All right. Not too bad if we're walking.
Probably aren't your best option.
Hey?
Dogs aren't your best option.
Nah. Whoa. Whoa. Lost control.
Welcome to another adventure of Ed and Shazz Travels here at the Skywalk. Ciao!
Windy.
Does that give you a headache looking down?
No.
In between baby guys. Look at that.
What do you reckon
No.
about this?
No.
Nice. And here we got the calf. Sit down, have a bit of lunch. Right, gonna go take a wander to the next one. Right, we're packing up today, right? And we've got Marley that's gonna tell you a real big story. Okay, Marley, you say what you done today.
I didn't read. I by myself. You didn't read all by yourself.
So she done a wait all by herself.
And 4 years old.
And is 4 years old.
And I'm 4 years old.
So here we are at Northampton. There's a, as you can see here, dump spot right there. And this is where you can fill up your water. You drink the water and it's a donation in the box.
You're the reason why, hiding by the baby, losing my mind. Don't try to save me.
We've had such a lovely stay here at Lynton Station and at Port Gregory. Thanks to the hospitality of Jenny and Greg Pollock at Lingua Longa, which is Lynton's official accommodation. Couldn't have asked for more hospitable people. Love them to death. And so do the kids. So we've had a really, really lovely couple of days. So thank you so much, Jenny and Greg. Love what you do. We will be back.